To clean your water tank with Biocool Clean My Water Tank, dose the powder or tablets according to your tank size. Then fill it up with water, preferably lukewarm if possible. Now you've created a cleaning formula in your tank. To reach the hoses and taps, open each tap and flush for 30 seconds, then close them. This allows the cleaning formula to reach the entire system. Wait for 12 hours before draining. You can empty the tank in two ways, either through the bottom plug or via a tap or pump that transfers the water to the grey water tank. Want to clean your grey water tank too? Reuse the water you've just used? Simply add Clean My Water Tank again, repeat the process, and wait another 12 hours. Then your grey water tank is clean too. But how does this actually work? When the product contacts the deposits in your tank, hoses and taps, an intensive cleaning process starts. When it's done, both the dirt and microorganisms are removed. The best part: you don't need to rinse. The product leaves no taste or smell. The only residuals are water and oxygen. If there's still some dirt or flakes at the bottom, just refill with a bit of water and drain again to flush it out. Taking care of your water tank means you don't need to carry bottled water. You can use the water for drinking, cooking and brushing your teeth, and free up space from bulky cans. 3 key takeaways. Clean twice a year to keep your water tank fresh. Clean My Water Tank is simple and effective, no scrubbing required. Once the job's done, only water and oxygen remain.